Hey, what's up, guys? Meteorologist Doug Hetty, of course. It is Sunday. I hope you've had a fantastic weekend so far. Of course, staying dry. We had some pretty big showers and thunderstorms that rolled through on Saturday night last night. And on top of that, there are a couple tornadoes down in Oklahoma City that did some damage. This same storm system is still on top of us. It's going to produce some heavy amounts of rain once again as we go through tonight and then into Monday. And we do have a severe threat as well, once again, across portions of the Central Plains today and tomorrow. So we might as well dig into it. So Weather 2020, of course, you can check out our website. We got the Global Predictor, which you can sign up for long-range forecasts anywhere in the world 6 months out. Huge shout out to my boys, Superior Roofing and Construction, a four-state premier roofing contractor. They're local to Joplin, Missouri, 7th and High Street, but they service Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Missouri. Cole, Evan, and Carlos, give them a call if you have some roofing needs. All right, so let's jump into this. Let's see what is going on. We have this big storm system, which again, I talked about this yesterday and also Friday on my YouTube. I like seeing this because this is the new pattern. We're in this pattern for the next year. I like seeing this storm system and then constantly reloading behind it because I think this is going to give us a lot of action as we go into the winter and also into the spring. So that excites me as a weather nerd. But we're looking at the upper level flow. So this main trough now starting to kick out through the four corners of the U.S. is heading toward us. And that is giving us more showers and thunderstorms. So just like last night, another big round is ongoing across the Central Plains. You can see the showers and thunderstorms really increasing. In fact, let's go ahead and dig into some of this. Severe thunderstorm warning over toward Wichita, but a good band of showers and thunderstorms southeastern Kansas toward Joplin, increasing in southwest Missouri. In fact, let's see here, I'll loop it for you. You can see that these storms are lifting north a little bit toward the northeast. And then the bigger storms are kind of staying down through Oklahoma. So you can see a tornado watch in effect just south of Oklahoma City, and even a couple tornado warnings ongoing as I'm doing this video, which you can see right now. So, just to the southeast of Oklahoma City. So we got 1, 2, 3 storms that are producing tornado warnings. That is where most of the severe weather is going to be tonight. We could get a few bigger storms up into southwestern Missouri, but I think most of the severe threat is going to be kind of down in this region as we go through the overnight hours. Now, this northern extent, so southwest Missouri, northwest Arkansas, stronger storms, can't rule out a random severe thunderstorm or two, but most of this is going to be staying down through Oklahoma and then into parts of Arkansas as we go through the overnight hours. But this big band is lifting north and east, and that is going to produce some very heavy amounts of rain once again. And then we got a severe threat tomorrow, pretty good elevated threat. And this is really, let's zoom in here. So this is going to be from Nevada, Pittsburgh, Joplin. So where you are in the orange, that's even a higher threat for severe weather. So in the yellow, level 2 out of 5, and the orange, a level 3 out of 5 as we go into Monday afternoon. So mainly along and south of the I-44 corridor, including northwest Arkansas, Bentonville, Springdale, Rogers, all the way down to Fort Smith, and then just outside the Dallas metroplex, so southeastern parts of Oklahoma. So another good severe threat as we go into Monday afternoon. So let me walk you through time, and I'll show you what's going to happen the rest of today, tonight, and then into the daytime hours tomorrow. So through the evening hours, ongoing severe weather down through Oklahoma. And just south of Oklahoma City, we're going to see these storms kind of pop up once again. These are staying mainly just north of Dallas. But this big batch here, we are going to have some severe thunderstorms in it. In the eastern parts of Oklahoma, we're looking at 8:30 p.m. I can't believe it's almost dark outside. It's already the time change. And then strong to low-grade severe thunderstorms southeastern Kansas into southwestern parts of Missouri. So we're going to watch this continue to push through as we go through the overnight hours. Let's stop at about midnight. Thunderstorms, central Missouri, southeastern Missouri. Now these guys, again, could be low-grade severe. So from Branson over toward West Plains, northern parts of Arkansas. And then all this mess that redevelops back through northwestern Arkansas, Tulsa, Oak City. Some of those could be strong to severe. I think the tornado threat this evening is mainly going to be the next 3 or 4 hours. And then the main threat after that is going to be wind and hail as these storms continue to work through. All right, so let's continue through the night. We're going to stop this at about 4 o'clock in the morning. So our batch that is giving us rain now is now central and eastern parts of Missouri and weakening. You can see southwestern Missouri, a little bit of a break. And then here we go again. We reload back toward the west, central, western parts of Oklahoma. Here comes another batch of showers and thunderstorms as we go through the morning hours. Some of those could be on the strong side. Let's move to 9 a.m. So here's where the main system is kicking out. Look at the snow back through southeastern parts of Colorado. And this is where we want to start to watch for severe weather popping up as we get into Monday afternoon. So let's go through the morning hours. Showers and thunderstorms, Kansas City, Lawrence, Topeka. Here's 1 p.m. And then you got the snow on the backside. And then you got some bands of showers and thunderstorms kind of scattered about across Missouri into Arkansas. But it's this line that starts to develop. And this is what we want to watch. So severe threat on Monday is going to be a little bit earlier than kind of what we saw last week. So here's 1 p.m. Showers and thunderstorms intensifying southeastern Kansas into northeastern parts of Oklahoma. There is going to be a tornado threat tomorrow. The greatest let me circle for you, is going to be from Joplin back through southeastern parts of Oklahoma, northwest Arkansas. So in this circle, that's where the higher tornado threat is going to be as we go into Monday afternoon. So we want to watch this. All right, let's continue through time. These storms continue to develop. And the ones that would have a better chance to produce tornadoes, I mean, yes, you can see them in this line, but some of these cells that pop up ahead of the line, that also, because they'd be discrete supercells, and those could also produce some tornadoes as well as we get into Monday afternoon. Here's 2:30. So we have showers and thunderstorms from Dallas through central and eastern parts of Oklahoma, ongoing severe weather, right up the I-44 corridor, getting into southeastern Kansas, Joplin, Springfield, Carthage, Neosho. You guys will start to get into the action at this point in time. Showers and thunderstorms not as severe, but some stronger ones pushing through Kansas City on Monday afternoon. Let's continue through the afternoon. This band of thunderstorms, again, most likely strong to severe wind and hail threat along the I-49 corridor. Here's 4 p.m. getting into Springfield through Joplin, Bentonville, Rogers, Fayetteville, Springdale, Fort Smith, all getting into the action by mid-afternoon. This band continues all the way through eastern parts of Oklahoma, and then it starts to break up a little bit once you get a little farther south toward Dallas. But within this red line, we're going to have some pretty intense storms as we go into Monday afternoon. Let's continue through the evening. This line starts to push east. Again, the overall threat is wind and hail, but there is going to be a tornado threat, especially in Arkansas. All right, so showers and thunderstorms, strong to low-grade severe once you get in central Missouri, and then they get a little beefier once you get down towards Springfield, Branson, Table Rock, Beaver Lake. Still northwest Arkansas, driving through Fort Smith, and then into southeastern parts of Oklahoma. So this is at 6:30 p.m., so now we're nighttime. So we're going to start to lose some of the energy as it continues to push through. But ongoing heavy rain continues central Missouri all the way down through eastern parts of Oklahoma. Here's 11 p.m. But the overall severe threat at this time is going to be going down. And then this whole storm system rotates east. So by Tuesday morning, showers and thunderstorms, St. Louis, West Plains down to Little Rock, but everybody else starting to dry out and cooler too behind this system. And then sunshine returns by the time we get into Tuesday afternoon. All right, we've already seen some very heavy amounts of rain, and additional heavy rain is going to really be rolling in tonight into tomorrow. Look at some of these amounts. Northwest Arkansas, flash flooding threat all the way through central Oklahoma, northeast Oklahoma, southwest Missouri, northwest Arkansas. All need to watch for some flash flooding. But Chanute, about 2 inches, over 3 possible in Tulsa, upwards of 5, 6, maybe 7 inches once you get into northwestern Arkansas, all the way up towards St. Louis. So watch out, especially at nighttime. Don't drive through any high water. But yeah, so another big night weather-wise. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll also do another video tomorrow morning. We'll really break down the severe threat as we get into Monday afternoon. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy your Sunday. Any questions, comments, leave it in the comment section below. Make sure you like and subscribe. Talk soon.